Water. It's life's most basic need. It's our most precious resource. But at the same time, water is the fastest growing challenge worldwide. Water affects everything: health, industry, education, our well-being. It changes our standard of living. In fact, water changes everything. Our Pollet Water Group companies are dedicated to developing solutions that improve the quality of water and enable a more efficient use of water. We engineer, assemble, and commission. We are committed to offering intelligent and user-friendly products that treat the water in your homes, your businesses, your factories, your schools, your hospitals. By applying the most advanced technologies, we take up the biggest challenge of our time: water. Join us on our mission. Make water count.